So we're going to do a pouring down in the rain startup of this Honda powered Troy Bilt that I got. I've cleaned it up. It certainly looks much better. Don't really care if it gets wet. It's not one of these kind that you'd be funny about. Looked like the blade was a little bit loose on it, best I could tell, so I tightened that up and made sure it's full of oil. It's got a really, it just had a really funny noise in it. I noticed this valve cover is dented. I think there's plenty of clearance. I don't think anything's hitting in there. Kind of be the last resort, taking that valve cover off. I hate taking those off because sometimes that gasket will leak and break. So I've tightened the blade up. That's the only thing I could really see that was wrong, where this engine just didn't sound right. Made sure it's full of oil. So let's give it a start here in the pouring rain. See if we can do this. Let me get it choked here. I've got the handle tied down. See what happens here. Catch this choke in time. Better. I'm not going to try to mow my grass with it. But that is the Troy Bilt with a Honda engine. Sounds better and looks better.